Morning, good morning. So we had some PMI news yesterday. USD. So bad numbers for the dollar yesterday, and we can see that price pushed up here. Daily closed bullish. So overall, this is just one bullish candle in a downtrend. So, doesn't really change the overall bias that as we move down to 1700s, I'm still going to be looking for sells, but we may have opportunities here. Looks like your current daily candle has created a nice bottom wick here during Asian. So if we can come up and flip bullish, maybe we can come up and fill yesterday's wick. I did want to see this week pull back a bit steeper, so we have created a slightly steeper top wick. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. Okay, previous 4 hour close bullish. So we are coming down to create a steeper bottom wick now on this current 4 hour. And on the lower time frames, 30 minutes, you've got a resistance right here at 1748. So we've got resistance at 1748. I think buys above there makes sense. So we've got about 20 to 30 pips moving up here, and then about 50 pips, 55 pips to fill the wick from yesterday's candle. Good morning, good morning. But now, like I said, overall, we are bearish here. So looking at the support below there, we've got clean candles to the left, closure below there, and we could have some sells. Alright, so this is what I'm looking at this morning. I'm looking to have some bars above 1747, 1748. And sells below 1744. Morning, morning. What's up, Nico? Can you hear me? How's it going? Let me just turn you up here. Or I'm gonna turn you up on YouTube.
Wait.
Okay, cool. How's it going?
I'm chilled, and you?
Yeah, I'm alright.
How was your evening last night? Or day, I should ask. You seem busy.
Yeah, I had to go to the physio. My neck is stuffed. I don't know. I think I have like a chronic neck injury, like it hasn't come right. When I train shoulders every now and then I like sleep funny, it's painful. But I went and bought a new pillow from the physio as well, and I slept like a baby last night. So I think that thing's gonna help me.
Don't you maybe also cuddle Kay it the wrong way or something?
She wasn't here last night.
No, I mean last night. Maybe when you hurt your neck.
Maybe.
Maybe like I was sleeping awkward, bro. And you sleep awkward the entire night, it fucks your neck up.
Yeah. Is 0.3 lot size okay for 25k funded?
No, it doesn't say 25k, bro. It just says 25 funded account.
Surely not $25 funded.
If it's $25, bro, that doesn't make sense.
No, it can't be 25.
Yeah, surely it's 25k, but I mean, a 0.3 is way small. Just depends what funded account you buy and how their pips and lot move. So 0.3 could also be a 3 lot for some of us, depending on what currency.
1k. Yeah, a 0.3 should be right. It is quite small.
Yeah, I mean, but if it works out to actual 0.3, bro, that's really small. Like a 0.3 you use on a 10k account.
Yeah, I use it on a 10k.
Yeah, so like work out 0.5% of 25k and just underscale a little bit under 0.5% for every 10 pips on gold, bro. That's how I do it. So 25k. I mean, technically using a 0.8 on a 25k would be fine still. Still not big risk.
0.5?
0.8.
0.8.
It's more or less the same as using a 0.5. A little bit different, but on a 10k, but more or less the same. I just think on a 0.3, bro, you're not going to see a lot of return, especially not for an account that's got 25k in it, you know? You're not going to be happy with what you're getting in. 0.9 with a week. Oh yeah, that's if you're really working it out, but I would underscale to 0.8 just because I use 0.4 and 0.8 on a 10k account. Just not to use the full 0.5% or 1%.
Yeah, always undershoot rather than overshoot, but 0.3 is really small.
It is, on a 25k it's really small. 10k that would be fine, bro. Like that would be okay. You'd see return, you'd be satisfied with what you're making. But you grab 30 pips from gold and not see $100 even, bro. That's kind of depressing, if I'm honest.
Yeah, that's true. It's not even 0.5%.
Yeah, bro. 30 pips on gold is a nice move, bro. And if you're not benefiting from 30 pips, even after you grabbed it, then you may be underscaling too much. So, but hey, who am I to talk, bro? Hey, Connor, we see traders that we've watched before make 2 to 3% to 5% in a month. So,
yeah, that's crazy. That might be your style. Maybe you want to just be really, like low risk. I'm happy with risking 1% per trade. Some guys think that's a lot.
Can you put me off of, so the stream can't hear me quickly? So just you can hear me or not?
I can. Just give me a second. Okay, they shouldn't be able to hear you now. name sounds familiar. Oh well.
I mean, GJ Samuels, 41612. That's a good trade.
Nice, J Smith. Well done. So I'm looking at
Connor,
GJ. Yeah.
if you hear my phone make a noise, please just tell me, because I can't tell when you're gonna hear the noise it makes.
Okay.
Because if I don't have it muted and I'm clicking to go to MetaTrader and shit like that, you know, then
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
I'm looking here on a 4-hour. We've closed below support. Okay, we closed below this most recent support on the 4-hour, as well as all of these supports here on the 4-hour. And then we have formed resistance right here at this previous 4-hour support. So looking on a 30 minutes, you've got support right here at 161,280. If we can get a closure below there, we should be good for sales. The 15-minute support is a little bit lower, okay, but higher time frames are always going to give a better confluence. So we may have to adjust this level depending on where price goes before London Open, because I'd like to see this closure below at London Open. So we could close below the 30-minute support, or we could close below the 15 minutes. Either is fine, but overall I would like to stick with the sales here on GJ.
I took that sell stop I sent you last night, by the way.
Is it?
Yeah, it didn't really work out. I made profit. I ended up with 1%, but it kind of went against the rules, if I want to put it that way, because came to stop loss and I moved stop loss by 3 pips, and then it never touched stop loss after that, and then it just came down, up, left it, went to bed, bro. Woke up at like 4 a.m. I saw the trades in profit, closed it. That's about it.
Yes, I put in a trade yesterday. Before I left my house for the physio.
Oh yeah.
And I checked.
Did you see the sell I told you about the? Wait, Con, why are you so? Wait, it's no more. I just heard it. Okay, oh, sorry, you were saying?
Nah, it went against me for the first like 30 minutes, and then as I was about to go into the physio to get my stuff done, it was like it came back to around break even. I was like, okay, cool, it's looking good now. And then I checked my phone off the physio. It went straight back against me the entire time I was in there. I just closed it as I got out. And I was like, nah, I'm done for the day.
You remember what you sent me privately on WhatsApp?
Yeah.
Have you started the second one now?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, my second one is also going.
Easy.
Yeah.
What's it at 200?
No, 100. I kind of fucked up, but we leave it at that.
Oh shit.
Yeah, one of those things. But anyway.
Nah, it happens.
Yeah, it does. I don't mind, to be honest. I got the payout first. So, yeah.
It's just gotta keep moving.
You remember I told you I'm gonna wait for the first payout before I make cut?
Yeah. At least.
I told you. It's chilling.
But think about it, you made your money back literally
No,
tenfold.
for sure. No, Connor. Let's not get into it, bro, because I was just being an idiot. That's all I can tell you.
Don't
Nah.
lie.
Yeah, bro, you don't want to know, so let's leave it at that. Justin doesn't even know, bro. Don't even say shit to him, because I know both of you are gonna go at me for what I did.
Probably.
Probably. Just now I get, I don't know. Yeah, I can probably say this. I don't know, maybe I get another video from Connor shooting the grass with a gun, telling me I better start listening.
What the hell?
That's what you did, bro. What do you mean?
I never did that.
You fucking did. I still have the gif you sent me of you shooting the floor, bro. Must I go find it, Connor?
Nah.
You wanna test?
Hey,
Yeah,
hey.
oh boy. Yo, gonna be no.
Okay, so we're just consolidating here on GJ at the moment. But like I say, 4 hour we've closed below support, so it looks pretty good here to drive down.
The last 2 days have been very nice on GJ.
Yeah, GJ, I've been enjoying GJ, but I don't know, gold just doesn't seem to be doing the things in London.
Justin, come to party, please.
When was it? Monday there was a nice move on gold, but there was like no entry opportunity, just kept moving.
Do you see my sell? Like they're on those 2 candles that touch support. They're at 67.15 that I told you to take last night.
Wait, I'm gonna have a look.
Yeah, right there. Yeah.
Oh, those.
No. A little bit down. The candle's to the left of that. On that break of that, like the big bear candle, then the second bear candle happened.
There.
67.15 was directly a little bit left. Remember, it's delayed the stream. Yeah. After that second candle came, 67.15 was below that. So I thought if it broke,
what?
Yeah, above that, a little bit up.
46.
46.15. Sorry, I had 2 entries. I forgot. I had a 47 and a 46.15. The sell stop I told you to take.
Yeah.
And see, it never like did shit, bro. Like, I mean, it came down eventually, but that's why I moved stop loss. It never wicked me out, type of thing. And then yeah, it came down and I closed. I basically woke up somewhere in between while it was down, yeah, bro. And then I closed it.
I don't like to trade around that time. I always get clapped late in the day.
Bro, do you know how many trades me and Justin have taken that, like, if we just decided to leave it, and I'm not talking about, like, just take the trade out on profit or anything, I'm just leave it, bro, break even, leave it. We could have grabbed, like, I think it's been twice, we could have grabbed over, like, maybe 100 pips on gold from an Asian session trade we put in, but we closed it. And then GJ, I think, was over 1,000 pips the one time, and we got into the trade, we took it, we closed it in profit, and then we went to bed, whatever. Woke up maybe 3-4 hours after waking up, the thing's gone 1,000 pips from our entry in the right direction. So it's pretty gutting, but it is what it is.
Is what
It's
it
just,
is.
yeah.
Yeah, you just got to move forward. But
Yeah, bro.
Asian session has such nice clean moves sometimes, and they'll just keep running throughout the day.
I've noticed that Asian chooses the direction, and then direction gets played out in London. Like, that's what I see a lot, especially because I'm awake for Asian as well. So, yeah, like, yeah. Go on, you get 8 hours sleep a night, eh?
Maybe 7.
Not 8, but like 6 to 8, you know?
Yeah, yeah,
that's
around
good.
there. And you? 2 hours.
No, I don't know, like 3, 4.
Just, I don't know how you do it.
I also don't know how I do it, bro. It's just, unfortunately, how I fucking sleep. Like, I mean, I would sleep for 6 to 8 hours if I could choose that, Connor. Trust me. I'd rather be sleeping in Asian than trading it, bro.
Okay, so you got a previous support right here at 161,500. Looks like we're pushing up, so let's see if we maybe form resistance up there. What's up?
Oh, fuck. Morning, Kay. I didn't even see she said morning, bro.
Justin says ape tendencies.
Yeah. It's probably something we said. That's all.
He's talking about you.
I know. Oh, Connor, me and Justin wanted to know, his name in Discord, you saw what it was.
Yeah.
Must he change it to Justin, or is that fine? Because obviously, I just told him I don't know if you have a problem with people seeing that name on stream, if ever, you know.
Wait, what is the name?
It's Master like Yesus or something, but it's not pronounced that. It's just that's how people would read it.
Nah. What's wrong with that?
You know what?
It's true.
No. Oh, we were saying, I was telling Justin, no, I probably can't say that. I just said some religious boys are gonna pull up, start going at us on. That's all I said. But I said I don't know if Connor cares about that or not. Like them, like going on about something so small.
Nah, it's really small. I don't think it'll be a problem.
Then the day comes that it's a problem. You're gonna laugh at you and Justin. Some fucking one religious boy in the chat going at us, bro.
Reports the channel. Channel gets taken down. Ew.
But we were saying, no, like, when will you ever see the name? Like, you don't even see my name on the stream.
Yeah, you don't.
No. Solve it.
I'm not really interested in bars here on GJ. Because the thing is, this whole range here is a mess. And then you got clean range back above 162, 450, let's say. So that's a nice range to possibly take bars in, but I don't think we're going to get all the way up there today. So we're just going to stick with the sells. And then gold. Gold could go either way today. Yesterday we closed bullish, but overall we are obviously moving down. And it looks like we have formed resistance on a 4 hour. But this previous 4 hours now possibly formed support for us to move back and retest the highs here. That's the breakdown I had on Discord for gold. So I said we could pull back to 1760, 1775, possibly 1785, and then continue moving down. And we have created a slightly steeper top wick on the weekly already yesterday, but we closed bullish yesterday. So if we continue to move up, you know, there is potential to move into 1760, I believe. That's that previous daily support before finding resistance and continuing down.
It's not so, but DJ broke its previous hour high, so
Dude, my Wi-Fi's been having issues as well.
I need to change provider, bro. So, where are you? What Wi-Fi do you have?
Nah, I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know who it's with. It's good though. It's 200 meg fiber.
Connor, is your Wi-Fi busy fucking up, bro, man?
Mine seems to be fine. I can hear you clearly. Let me check YouTube quick. I think my side is fine.
Yeah, it must be my side, bro. I'll be here now. I'm gonna try to fix it.
Yeah, my internet went down there for a second.
Oh, so it was your internet.
Could have been.
No.
But it's chilled. Stream is still fine. Yeah, it seems to be still on time. It's up and down. I'm gonna come now.
Seem like it's better.
It seems to be fine.
Does it work?
Yeah, it's chilled now.
Alright. I'll be here now. Just give me a couple minutes.
So we've got news for USD later today, and then tomorrow is the start of this Jackson Hole symposium. I think the event only starts in the afternoon tomorrow. Three o'clock. Yeah, I think the market may be a little bit choppy as we come into this event, because obviously people are going to want to hear what is being said in this event, and we also have Fed Powell speaking on Friday. "24 minutes until London Open, and we're moving down here in gold. So at this rate, we could get a closure below. Let's just hope it doesn't drive without us." GJ not looking too bad. We're pushing up here, creating a steeper top wick on this 4 hour, retesting that previous support. So if we can come back down, flip bearish, candle breaks its own low, or we break that previous 4 hour low, we could see some nice volume and move into 168.30, 840.
What you having a look at today? Do you think? You think you're gonna get gold or GJ?
Right now, gold looks more likely to close below. GJ is moving up, and I'm not really interested in bars, so maybe a resistance formed here on GJ, but it's messy. I'd rather see us close below 161, 280, that support for sells, because then you got nice, clean traffic.
How did you manage this, J Smith, if I can ask? Like, what was your plan with this pushing back now? What did you do?
He's in sells from 161, 760.
Yeah, I just want to hear like how he manages his trades.
Yeah, because that was a decent trade, but now you've pulled back
Is
quite a lot here.
No. Yeah, it's pulled back a lot. So I want to know when he got out, if he got out, is he holding?
Yeah, you got into 50 pips, now it's sitting at like 25.
Yeah, actually got a full 60, I think. Yeah, 60. So, well, his lowest low, I think, was 60 pips.
I know, I would have closed at least half by now, and left runners.
I'm gonna be honest, I would have closed full by like 161, fucking 250 probably by now. I would have closed like coming down, not even going back up. But that's just how I close my trades, because you like leave some to run, I close full. So listen, I wanted to ask you, are you gonna meet me by Carl tonight, or must I come to your house?
I can meet you by Carl.
I'm gonna go to Carl at like 6, so I mean you can pull up there just before. I'm sure you can. I'll just message you.
Okay, cool. Maybe I can even chill for a bit.
Yeah, it'll make my life easier if you can come there.
Yeah, it's so close to me as well.
Yeah.
I couldn't believe when I went there, he told me Jordan lives like
Right across the wall.
right
Literally
across,
like
what are the chances?
No, bro. Break the one wall down, put a gate in.
Yeah.
Stream lag on. Wait, was this earlier or now?
That was earlier.
Oh yeah.
No, it's
It's
sorted
fixed
now.
Yeah.
I think there is about a 10-second delay, but that's not the end of the world.
Yeah, I mean, I was looking at Don's. Don's was about 4 or 5 seconds as well. So
yeah, I figured out how to get mine down to about 4 or 5, but obviously with the internet cutting out there for a second, it's dropped some. I don't know.
When you test your internet, what is your speed, bro? Like, have you ever tested it on your phone?
I'll tell you right now.
It's probably not going to run the full potential now, but yeah, just tell me. Just go type in Google, test internet speed. And then Google's going to show you a thing that says, right after you search it, there stands, like a little blue tab, test internet speed. Just click it.
I got it.
It's not going to be your full potential because you're on the Wi-Fi, but...
Wait, let me just add the IP address.
No, just tell me it. You don't need to show it.
I want to show.
Download.
178, upload 65.
You need to up your upload, bro, because you have a 200 meg line with a 100 meg up probably.
Nah, it's 200 down, 200 up.
Well, you're just getting 60.
I think it's because I'm probably streaming.
Nah, it won't drop that much. Can I tell you what's very cock for me? I have 100 up, 100 down, but my PlayStation, yeah, only picks up 2.5 upload. So I'm literally wasting like 97 fucking upload for nothing.
Yesterday.
How fucked is that?
That's rough.
But you, bro, you in Beacon Bay, that area is much better for Farbo, so like much better.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I was just saying the other day, my dad's an IT guy, so he sorts all of this out.
Is it? He does all this stuff.
I don't have to worry about it at all.
That's dope.
He's pulling cables in the ceiling yesterday, putting network cables in.
So for your stream to be better, is that what?
Yeah.
That's dope. Dad really supportive, that's nice. Let's buy him a cigar.
Buy him a cigar.
He looked like he wanted some cigars when Jared mentioned it. So I was like, yeah. Does he smoke cigars?
Nah. He stopped smoking now. Cigarettes for like, I think he's going on 10, 12 years, something like that. So I don't think he...
a cigar.
Nah, I don't know.
He wouldn't.
I don't think you would. I don't think you would.
It's Uncle Ryan in the chat.
Yeah, I've been getting dumb questions on my Instagram.
Like what?
From like people around town, like people I know.
Yeah, don't say the questions. Don't say the questions, because then some people are gonna know the question if they're watching you now.
Sure,
But send it to me. I also want to see, please. You don't need to show me who sent it. I just want to see the question.
The one I got annoyed with, because he said, how much do you average, like what is your average return a month? But the thing is, I got this vibe that he wanted to invest, or he wanted me to trade for him. So I was being like sarcastic. I said 200%. He said, no way, seriously, and is that specific to a certain amount of capital? I just said to him, like, what are you actually wanting to know? And then anyway, he picked up that I was like annoyed.
Yeah, well, I mean, I've also been asked that a lot of times, like, what if I give you my money? Can't you trade with my money and then make money? So then all I say to them is like, let's say you give me 10 rand, bro. You give me 10 bucks. I'll take that 10 bucks and make 20 bucks. Now I must give you 15 back and I'll take 5. Why don't I just take 10 bucks of my own money and make myself 20 fucking bucks? Keep everything. Why wouldn't I just do that? Like, well, why do I need your money if I can just take my own money to make more money for myself? Not have to worry about losing someone's money, fucking managing it, and never in my life. I'm down for that shit, bro.
But the thing is, as well, like the people we probably gonna run into asking to trade for them are also like, they're not gonna give a whole lot of money, and those people who are putting in smaller investments are more like concerned about guaranteed returns and you know, someone who's
not investing, bro.
Yeah, someone who's just like, okay, here's a shit ton of money, you know, I'm gonna just give it to you and whatever, you know.
Take a chance to get some return on it, yeah. Not care that if you lose it, you lose it. Like, just try to get some return on it, blah, 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 you know? For sure. That'd be dope. But like you said, bro, it's so true that you said that actually. Like, the people that are asking us the questions don't have a lot of capital to actually invest to see return.
Yeah.
So
10 minutes here. Let's see if gold closes below. GJ, for now, I can't do anything here.
Oh yeah, Connor, I wanted to ask the gym times. What's the gym's times, bro? Monday to Sunday by you?
I think Monday to Friday it's like 5 to 8. 5 to
Okay.
8 or 9, and then weekends they close early. Like really early. I went
yeah.
at like 2 o'clock the one Saturday or something and it was closed.
They'll probably close when there's not a lot of people. They close the gym. Our gym does that. Like if there's not a lot of people in there, they just close early, which is kind of fucked. But yeah.
Yeah, weekends they close probably lunchtime.
Is there a sauna by that gym, by the way?
I'm sure I did see
Yeah.
a sign, but it's closed because of COVID.
Still closed. What the fuck?
Yeah. They either don't have one or it's just closed because of COVID. I think I saw a sign there that they have one. It's just not open.
Are you gonna commit to gymming with me if I join there? And I make it an effort to come the times you gym?
Yeah, I was
times you work out.
I was actually thinking on Monday I trained. No, was it Monday or? Yeah, on Monday I trained legs, and I was like, oh, I need Nico.
I'd enjoy it, bro. Like I just want to gym with someone that's also strong, you know, not like someone that's underneath me the whole time.
Yeah.
Because I don't like it. It's not. I'm demotivated with gym, bro. I don't want to gym anymore. I'm sick of it, bro.
I'm the same though. It's like it's hard to get to gym now.
Yeah, bro. Like I need something. I need someone. If you want to put it that way, bro. So when you go gym again, find out what's the joining fee and all that shit, so I can just have the cash on me when I go to them.
Okay, cool.
My gym doesn't take card. That's the only reason I say it.
I'll ask them today. Now they take card.
Okay, well, just find out anyway.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna sign up then. What's today? Wednesday. Next week I'll sign up and then we can chat about times and days and etc. etc.
I also need like a proper schedule, a routine, something to stick to.
Well, can't we do the same shit, bro? Like morning we have London session with your stream, and then after that it's our days and whatever we do for the day and how we plan our days. So I mean, I'm surely we can plan meeting up at gym on certain days, like, you know, more than 3 days a week type of thing.
No, I'm saying like a training plan, like a routine, like.
Oh, what we're gonna jump?
Chest Monday, legs Tuesday, you know, something to stick to. Because right now at the moment, I'm just trying to get back into a rhythm, and I'm just training whatever days.
Yeah, that's gonna be difficult because like if I don't gym with you, obviously when you didn't gym with me, you're gonna go to gym and then we're gonna gym whatever's next. So then like the next day we together is gonna change type of thing. But obviously like we'll just like work it out or chat or something, you know?
Yeah, we'll make a plan.
Yeah. But I just wanted to make sure that you are keen to join when I do sign up at that gym, because I want to sign up at another fucking gym and then I have 2 gym memberships and then the one is just for you and then we don't even gym. That's
I'm
dumb.
keen because I'm in the same place as you. Like I'm getting hurtful to train, but I want to train.
I also want to train because I feel good, I look good, and I don't want to lose it now. I want to keep maintaining, you know? So, yeah, it's just gap. Because even if you go to gym, you don't gym properly, bro. Like, it's not how you should be gymming because you're demotivated. So, yeah, we'll definitely do it, man. That's what I'm looking at, bro. It's kind of just making...
6 minutes here and we're pushing up. Maybe we get a closure above. What's the order block? I'm not too sure. It's a block with orders in it. I'm sure there's someone who trades SMC in the chat. You can answer what is an order block.
Isn't an order block that fucking line at the back of your chart with the blocks all over it before you make your chart all white? On those all order blocks?
it's like a
It's like that Fibonacci thing.
it's like a pattern kind of thing.
Oh. Do you know what a shark fin is, bro, when it comes to trading?
No, never heard that before.
I'm gonna send you this video. Like, one of these US30 traders says trading with a shark fin, like whatever method that is, trading with a shark fin on US30 is probably the best, the most accurate fucking chart to trade with that shark fin.
What is
He
it?
says it's
A
like,
type of chart or an indicator?
I have no idea, bro, but I think it's like a type of, like, you know, you've seen those like triangle looking fucking things on people's charts. It looks like a triangle.
Oh yeah, I have.
You see that like shark fin, it makes sense that that's how it kind of
Yeah.
looks, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So like, I'm sure it's that shit. And then, yeah, I'm not sure how it works, bro. That, yeah, I don't know.
I've tried
But I
those
just-
things out before. The thing is, they only print out like later. Like it'll print out here, pointing down for sales, but it's only gonna print out when price is already down here. The only indicators I've ever enjoyed are moving averages.
Which one's 21, 20 day?
20 and a 50.
And a 200, eh? Is it? I think I used that same method at a stage.
No, I think I left the 200 out. I had a
But you know
100
what-
and a 200 in at one point. But
But
it's
you know
too
what I'm
much.
talking about? The 20, the 50, and the 200, eh? You've seen that like style that you can do.
Yeah.
That trading. Yeah.
Some guys have like random numbers like 8, 13 and 17 or
Yeah.
something stupid.
Add it in,
Like
yeah,
what?
some random shit.
Like a 20 and a 50 to me just looks clean. Look at that. Nice bounce off the 20 MAs here on the hourly time frame.
Oh fuck, your chart's looking like the person we raved on Instagram the whole time. I saw your chart starting to look.
Nah, I still need to add like 10 more.
Fucking, you need to add like 20 more moving averages, bro. Yes.
Wait. Okay, wait, let's just have a look at GJ with the moving averages quick. 4 hours also above the 20 there. I've got room to move up back to the 50 MA. So yeah, we could definitely retrace all the way to 1760 today. GJ.
You say the moving averages changes your whole perspective on the chart, eh?
But the thing is, I can see these things already without the moving average.
I know, bro. I'm just teasing.
Like, yeah, okay, the moving averages here on the 4 hour, it's price is sitting below them, you know, that's a sign for sales. But obviously, like, look at price, we're forming lower lows, you know, this 4 hour close below support. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna go grab liquidity there at the hourly moving averages before moving down.
Maybe we just did, to be honest. It's just that those last 3 candles, man, in a 1 hour on GG are so nice for engulfing, so...
What's this? On
GJ,
15?
1 hours. No, GJ, 1 hours.
For bars.
If it closes up there bigger than the previous candle, then yeah, but I mean, that's kind of through support and a big closure and blah blah blah. So it's anyway what we would look for.
Yeah, if it closed above like this minor resistance,
Yeah.
it would make sense.
That's what you just put in as a trend line. You just put it to full to the right. So
Okay, trend line.
The red line you just put in, it's a trend line, eh? It's not a
Oh,
horizontal line.
no, it's a horizontal ray.
Oh, it
Horizontal
cuts off
ray.
where you click.
Yeah. Okay, this is gonna be interesting.
We might not get trades, bro.
We didn't close above here, but we did close bullish on the hourly.
Don't do that bar stop, con.
Look at the 4 hour.
We might buy into resistance, dude.
Look, if this 4 hour re-breaks its own hour, because it came all the way down, never broke the previous candle low. We respected this support. Closed bullish now at London Open. So if we move up and re-break the 4 hour highs, you know, we do have about 15 pips moving up to get to break even.
From candle flip?
Nah, not from candle flip, like on the break of the current 4 hour candle high.
Okay. I thought you were gonna get in on candle flip, bro. That's what I was gonna say, buying into resistance. No, okay, I see.
Once we break the 4 hour high, we've cleared this resistance, and we should see some volume.
Yeah, no, I agree with that.
And then I think I'd use current candle stops. Current hourly candle. 18 pips, not bad.
Is it 18?
18.
So 1:1.
18 pips stops and then 18 pips to
break even. Okay. We're only gonna enter bar stops when candle flips.
I'm gonna put it on the break of previous 4 hour highs. 1748.
I'm saying, are you entering bar stop now, or are you gonna wait for the candle to flip, then enter the bar stop on your entry?
Yeah, I think so. I haven't entered it just yet.
Yeah, that's what I'm
I want to see if we maybe form a steeper bottom wick.
Just move that line back on. It's a bit squaff. Unless you left it there for a reason.
This one. Nah,
that bottom red one.
This is where I'm gonna have my bar stop. Give it like 2-3 pips above.
Okay. Why are you scared of that wick to the left?
No, I'm just accounting for spread. Okay, I'm gonna put bar stops in. We flipped here. Yep. 1748, 45. On my broker, it's 1748.35.
What is the stop loss?
Stop loss is going to be 1746, 250 for about 21 pips. Stop loss is below the current candle. 1746, 250.
But yeah, no, just give me 5 minutes.
Obviously, forming a steeper bottom wick, stops are going to be a little bit bigger now, but that's fine. Looks good. bad, I've been muted, guys. Break even point 1748. Target number 1 is going to be 1751. The next target is to fill the wick from yesterday into 1753 500. Stops 1745 500 for about 28 pips. Morning. I'm coming now. I'll be back before we get triggered in. Okay, looks like we're pushing down here. Yeah, 15 broke the previous 15-minute lows. Still respecting previous hourly lows, and we're tapping into that 30-minute support. So it's still valid based off the 30-minute, hourly, 4-hour. 15-minute is starting to get messy. Looks like we're gonna have to delete these bar stops. Okay, yeah, broke the previous hourly and 30-minute lows. So bar stops are deleted. Got 7 minutes here until a closure, 30-minute candle closure. So if we close below, that looks pretty good for sells. Stops are pretty big. You know, we have still respected the previous 4-hour low. So the whole idea was that we are forming support on the 4-hour. If we break the 4-hour highs, the trade is still valid. The issue is stops are pretty big right now. About 40 pips. So I'll rather wait and see this candle close. If we start to move up, I may place the buy stops again, using current candle stops once again. Should be about 30 pips. Daily about to flip on GJ. That's fine. Look at this range here on GJ that you're moving into. A lot of resistance, no clean traffic to the left. It's all consolidation. So unless we can push and close above 162.450, I'm not interested in buys right now. See, look how GJ is rejecting this area. Hour never broke previous candle highs. Still potential to drive down here. This 5 minute looks pretty good for, I was thinking to do dynamic entries here, but we're so close to the 30-minute candle closure, I'd rather just wait. Yeah, look at that 15 minutes. Strong rejection to this support. Both of these pairs pulled back pretty hard, grab liquidity. The lower time frames here are messy. We are in a range, so when things are messy on the lower time frame, just zoom out. Okay, the 4 hour looks pretty clean here. Previous 4 hour we formed support, and we have respected the previous 4 hour lows. So the idea is if we re-break this current candle high, we should move up to the next level of resistance here with volume. Gives us about 15 pips, and then there's potential to continue moving up and fill the daily wick for about 50 pips. Look how clean the daily is. Unless something sets up in the next 30 minutes, this might just be a no trade day. Gold, just straight consolidation. GJ, you know, look at this area we're moving into. This whole range here. Just avoid it. Nothing you can do. If we break back below 161,500 here, you could start to then move down once again. Your 4 hour still has potential here. We've respected the previous candle highs, previous 4 hour close below support. So in theory, with volume, you know, you would expect this candle to drive down. But we've pushed up, grabbed liquidity to maybe then drive down later in the day. But overall, I mean, GJ is just starting to get messy. Look at the last couple days. A lot of wicks, up and down, up and down. Yesterday's candle closed doji. GJ is just starting to become a real mess here at the moment. Shake, I was playing City Guesser the other day without you. Wasn't the same. don't know what's up with me today. I keep forgetting I'm on mute. Really not a whole lot going on today. I was thinking if this 15-minute could close bullish, you know, just give us a sign that we are, you know, respecting the support. I would reset those buy stops, but at the moment it's 50-50.
What do you think GJ is going to do?
I was just looking at it to maybe fill this wick. It's not a trade I would take, but there's potential. But I see it's pushed back down now. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, daily bias is bearish.
To be honest, I like that it pushed back down again for it to go fill the wick, because if it comes back to go up, like to go fill the wick now, it's more confirmation that it resisted twice.
Yeah, if it breaks this this current candle high now, or flips after pushing back down again, I agree. It probably has a better chance of driving up.
But it's coming close to a candle flip, so I mean,
Lower time frame is messy, but we seem to be respecting this 30-minute support on gold. If we break this previous 15-minute high, I think I'm going to reset buy stops on the break of the 4-hour high.
I still have my bar stop in. I mean, it's just so far off. I don't feel like I need to go in to go move it yet. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I wasn't in a dangerous spot.
Yeah, that's true.
I think GJ and gold are going to push up together. I don't think it's going to be together, because that's what it seems like it's doing right now. So who's in chat, bro?
Pardon?
Who's in the chat now? Do you have any idea?
I saw shakers here.
Is the last message stream
We're
lag?
pushing up. We're pushing up. I need to set these things quick.
Oh shit.
1748. 35 here on my broker. Stops. I think below the 30 minutes. Current 30 minute makes sense. For about 34 pips.
Yeah, I think we're about to run, bro. DJ is also back up above 600 again, so I don't know.
No, I'd rather leave GJ alone.
Yeah, no, for sure, I'm just saying.
Low
Justin,
time frame,
is
that looks good.
Yeah, here we go. Soon gonna be a new high for the 30 minute. So. And an hour. Fuck. It's looking good, bro. It's looking clean.
This hourly's done the most. If it can flip and break the highs there of the previous hourly and close above 1748, best believe the next hourly we should have a nice push up.
I mean, bro, if that's the case, this thing's gone, bro. I mean, you think break even point pretty fast if that
Yeah.
happens.
Yeah, I think so. With all that liquidity, that nice wick down.
If that's how it closes, like you said now, that next hour is gonna do the most. So,
Yeah.
or so we hope, I should say.
So we should have. Yeah. True.
Fucking that candle open hours comes straight back to this bottom wick, bro.
You fills the wick.
Fucking hell.
I guess that's a possibility.
No, there's a possibility with gold, bro.
8 minutes, yeah. Stops for me will be 1744, 850. There's always about a pip difference on my broker. It's 1744, 800. So stops about 35 pips. And just be aware, we may see some slippage here. Hourly candles flipped. Looking good. There's 5 minutes of the hourly candle. Alright, but this is based off basically the 4 hour. Our previous 4 hour already closed bullish. So all this candle needs to do is break its own high. So I'm not too concerned about the candle closure here. Unless we closed, you know, maybe bearish below resistance.
Looking very nice.
I would like to see the hourly close bullish.
Oh, yeah, I would like to see it close with some body on bullish as well.
Yeah.
Not just like a closure on bullish.
Three and a half minutes.
Is Jared in chat? Nah, he would have said something.
Jared said he's busy this week, not?
Yeah, GJ's hour candle is about to flip.
Are you joking? I was just saying, GJ looks really nice here. We are respecting this previous support. We've had a really nice wick to the upside. Once we break this low on the next hourly, it's a very high probability that we start to drive down. See, gold is also pushing up. Yeah, we're about to get triggered into gold here. We actually broke the 4-hour high. But I'm not in just yet. I always give spread, give a few pips for spread. And we just broke that previous high. We're about to close here on the hourly. Oh, GJ. I don't think GJ is going to close bearish, no. $30 still looks good there on GJ. Break of the lows. Stops above the previous candle.
You gonna sell, GJ?
Looks good here.
I was in Jana, I just came back quickly. Gold. So we got the closure we wanted on gold. Kind of.
Yeah, it closed on resistance, but you know, that previous candle, we respected support. Yeah, that's pretty bullish, that previous candle. And the 4 hour is still very much valid. Bar stops and sell stops. GJ looks really good. Guys, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna have a sell stop on the break of the lows here on GJ at 161, 410, 415. Stops are going to be about 27 pips. Looks like we are in gold. Oh man.
Yeah, I'm also in. I think GJ's about to trigger soon as well.
Okay, yeah, GJ's in as well. Stops above the previous candle at 161, 685. Just about ready to go break even here on GJ already.
I was about to tell you, get ready for break even. I'll watch gold while you're just busy managing this.
Yeah, this is intense. Okay.
Gold's running up, so we're chilling on gold, don't stress.
Break even point here on GJ is just this next support level. And I'll probably secure half as well. Just obviously 2 trades here, this is pretty intense.
Yeah, gold's chilling, bro. Don't stress about gold. Yeah, just do GJ.
I remember I used to do this a lot. 2 trades at once.
Gold? Okay, con gold's pushing up to break even point, so you need to get done. Oh no, it's not. Your break even. Okay, wait, your break even point's different. My bad. Okay, no, don't worry. Wait, what was mine side? Oh, I fucked up. At the bottom of the candle to your left, not the top.
I've got GJ here on my phone, so I got an eye on both.
They're gonna own both.
Stops for me on my broker on GG are 161,750. Wait, what? No. 675. One six one six 75. Okay, about to go break even here on gold.
That's literally what I was about to tell you. Where's the share runner, share track star?
Oh my word. GJ is sitting at break even right now. Gold is just sitting here. What's going on? It's like it froze.
It literally feels like everything just fucking froze
Okay,
all of a sudden.
I'm gonna put stops at break even. I'm a little bit concerned here. Seeing strange things. Okay, stops at break even for me here on gold.
Yeah, new highs, but just break even coming anyway. Look, we're like 2 pips from break even anyway.
I'm gonna secure half here, 12 pips as well.
She's just also making moves, I think.
So securing half at about 13 pips. 12, 13 pips. Alright, let's keep an eye on GJ. Stops at break even here on gold. Don't try this at home. Hey Nico, do you want to go for a beer after this? I'm stressed out.
I have a better solution for stress.
Fish.
Oh, fuck.
Hey, when are we going for lunch? What you up to today?
I can't today because I have all that shit planned to do for the evening. So I have some stuff to do for all that.
No problem.
But we can look to do you want to do it in this week?
Yeah. What's tomorrow?
Yeah.
Thursday. I think I can only really do today or tomorrow because then.
Yeah, let's just make it next week. Though. Like I'm sure our
Okay.
weeks will be more free next week. You know.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Gold's at your break-even point. Went through it, I think.
Yeah, I'm at break even on gold and secured half.
Oh, okay. Man. Where you want to go have lunch?
Rockamama's.
Oh yeah.
GJ. Come on, GJ. I think you have closing right here on GJ.
I think next 15 we'll see some move in GJ back down. Like I think if the candle just closes nicely, then we
To
can
fill
get
the wick.
15 to not fill it, but maybe like at least 3/4 of it, you know.
Yeah.
But the 15 needs to close like with a decent body. If it doesn't close with a decent body, I'm kind of concerned.
Okay, looks like gold might get stopped out at break even.
Mm.
So it was definitely a good idea to secure a little bit there at that resistance. Okay, gold hit break even. So secured 13 pips there on gold. GJ, we still in it. This 15-minute looks good, yeah. 15-minute no bottom wick, so I would expect to see this candle flip and then potentially fill this wick.
Gone?
Yeah,
Do you know what the dollar index is on TradingView?
DXY.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
And then what? Which one do you use? See they're all down the same.
I'm not too sure. I don't really use it too much. I'll check now.
Yeah. Hmm.
What's up?
Mm-mm.
See you tomorrow, man. Cheers. Thanks for joining. Nice top wick here on the 15. Let's see us flip and drop down. I don't really like how GJ created a bottom wick and then pushed back up. I was expecting us to drive down there on the flip. 30-minute candle closure is coming up soon. 10 minutes.
Here we go, GJ.
Yeah, if we re-break this candle low,
Here we go.
should get to break even, yeah. It's a lot of potential. I mean, 4 hours also flipping bearish.
Yeah.
We respected previous candle highs. It's clean traffic here. Below 161,280.
I also think the gold trade's gonna drop because it seems like there was just a spark in dollar and then now it's corrected itself, so now it looks like it's gonna keep going.
Yeah.
Watch gold, bro. Watch it drop.
Nothing I can do. Nah.
I know, I'm just saying, watch it drop.
I don't even want to watch it.
Watch it break ours, Connor. Watch it break the house. Watch.
But I mean, the analysis was to fill the daily wick
I know,
yesterday.
bro.
So,
Yeah.
but you know, it's one of those things. Break even made sense here as we tapped into this 4-hour resistance. And it's
100%.
Are you still in gold, Nico?
I am. I never move stops or anything.
Yeah, I thought maybe you'd.
I wanted to close actually, to be honest, on break even. But yeah, I'm just kind of waiting for something to happen.
Why don't you just put
There's a
stops
little
below the previous 15?
there's a little confirmation I'm waiting for before I close. So I don't want to just say it. So
Yeah. 'Cause if you close nice and bullish here on this 30 minutes, I think we'll at least move up to 1750, 1751.
yeah, but I literally just want 6 more pips, dude. So
Up, down, up, down.
got out cold on the. I had another half spark. I just got out when I broke 50. The chat's not working, eh? So I don't know if you're getting chat on your side. But to me, like, chat doesn't work. I don't know if it's my shit or what. You muted, bro. You muted.
Six, man. I was just about to say,
Oh,
if we can close below
I'm fuck-
161,400, there's a very high probability we tap into this support. It may pay to only move stops to break even at that level. I don't want to be stupid here. I'm going to move stops to break even. Okay. I'm not securing anything here just yet. Thank you for the sub, Mr. Too Cool. Too cool for school.
I have to say, your subs are growing quite fucking insanely, yeah?
Yeah, I think I hit 500 on Friday.
And then, like, it just, like, jumped, bro.
Then yeah,
You know, I told, like, 3 people that jumped to sub to you. But, I mean, that doesn't... 3 is not that much, but yeah.
shot.
Where the
Got it.
fuck is my shirt? Huh? You're
Oh,
making me wait
shit.
long. Making me wait long, yeah.
30-minute close, nice.
Do you have anyone that can spray print shirts? Do you know anyone? Wait, bro. I think I actually I have an uncle that does shirts, bro. I think that can do shirts. Wait, let me actually. I'll find out, bro. Just so I know. Then you're really gonna have me make shirts for me. You hear me, boy? I'm telling you. Not asking you. I'm telling you.
Thanks, Steve. Appreciate it. Chat does seem to be working. Yeah.
For you, bro. For me, it's not working,
It's
dog.
not
Like
working.
my shit's not. Yeah, I
Maybe
think it's my style.
close the chat and then open it again.
That's the thing, bro. It's like on my PlayStation, so like,
Oh.
it's probably just something that lagged on my PlayStation. Now it's like frozen, you know, but it's chill.
You know what? Another thing to do here, in terms of stops, is if you want to be a little bit more conservative, stops above the previous 30 minutes, because then you've only got about a 10 pip stop here. It makes sense. But I've got stops at break even.
Jesus.
What's up?
The guy's name that just subbed.
Yeah.
I was waiting for you to pronounce it.
Just gonna call him Gregory. Thanks for the sub, Gregory. That looks like break even, eh? Alright. Status break even hit. One win, one break even. Check it, gold. Man. Anyway, pretty good day.
You heading out?
Yeah. Did you close your full gold trade?
Yeah, but I closed it at the top of that wick basically. I closed it above 50. I think it was 50.02.
Oh, nice. Okay,
I
cool.
just wanted the 20 pips. Which good trade though, so whoever's still holding gold is probably smiling.
Yeah, whoever's holding gold is smiling. GJ,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Stop the stream and stay in Discord though. When you're
Okay,
done.
cool. Cheers everybody, thanks for joining today.
Short chat. Check you gents and
Check
women.
you tomorrow, cheers.